everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the Windows 10 update error that says that there are problems installing some updates, but we'll try again later. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. Open up the Start menu, type in Troubleshoot. Best result should come back with Troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and left click on that. On the right side, left click on Additional Troubleshooters, and then locate Windows Update, resolve problems that prevent you from updating Windows, and then select Run the Troubleshooter. And see if that resolves the problem. Another thing you can try here if you close out of here would be to open up the Start menu, type in CMD. Best result should come back with Command Prompt. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. Now into this elevated command line window, you want to type in SFC space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that / out front as you see it on my screen. Hit enter on your keyboard to begin the system scan. This will take some time to run, so please be patient. Okay guys, so once that's done, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. So save and close out of any open programs and applications and restart. And there you go guys, simple as that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.